The drums make people move, the melody makes people feel, and feeling is what creates hits. Here's the thing, you don't need advanced music theory to build platinum melodies. You need to understand one thing, emotion comes from the key. Dark, aggressive, powerful. D minor, B minor, F sharp minor. Uplifting, triumphant, warm. G major, C major, F major. Choose your key based on the emotion you want the listener to feel. Then use the three-note technique. Pick three notes from your scale, the root, the third, the fifth. Play them in different rhythmic patterns. Layer two or three instruments playing variations of those same three notes. You now have a melody. It's simple. It's powerful. It's the exact formula behind every platinum hook I've ever produced. Space is your secret weapon. The notes you don't play are as important as the ones you do. Leave silence. Let the melody breathe. Module 3.